This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Huawei must run a compatible MIUI/Android baseline and have space for Google Files. Download the correct Google Services APKs and Play Store packages from trusted sources. Once done, install them in this order: Framework, Play Services, Play Store. Make sure to allow installation from unknown sources and accept required permissions. If you use a PC, enable USB debugging to sideload securely. This sequence prepares the system so Google Pay can later detect Google Play Services, and once Play Store is functioning, sign into your Google account and let it fully sync. This ensures account credentials propagate. Install Google Pay from the Play Store and open it. Grant location, NFC, and contacts permissions when requested so the app can verify cards and terminals. Update Google Play Services if prompted, then restart your phone to finalize background services. After reboot, open Google Pay again to begin adding cards. Making sure services are active prevents verification errors and contactless failures during payments. Now add a card. In Google Pay, tap Add Payment Method and enter card details or scan the card. Follow your bank's verification flow, usually SMS code or bank app confirmation. Make sure NFC is enabled and then set Google Pay as your default tap-to-pay application in system settings. Once a card is active, test with a small contactless purchase to confirm tokenization works. If something fails, clear Play Services cache, reinstall Google Pay, and re-add the card. That single troubleshooting step fixes most verification or NFC recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.